Have you ever stopped to wonder how much water truly impacts your life? It's a question that might seem as fluid as the subject matter itself. But let's dive in. Water, the seemingly simple substance that fills our glasses and fuels our showers, is so much more than meets the eye. It's not just a thirst quencher, but an essential life giver, a fundamental cog in the wheel of life on Earth. From the tiniest microorganisms to the mightiest of mammals, all forms of life depend on it. It's the invisible thread weaving through the fabric of our existence, tying us all together in a tapestry of life. Water is in everything we know and everything we are. It's in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and even in the very cells that make us who we are. As we delve deeper into this topic, you will discover the incredible journey that water undertakes. Water does not just appear in our taps, it goes through a fascinating process known as the water cycle. Now let's dive into the details of this cycle, a magical journey that water embarks on over and over again. The water cycle is made up of three main stages: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Let's start with evaporation. This is where the journey begins, at the Earth's surface. The sun, our natural powerhouse, heats up the water in our oceans, rivers, and lakes. This heat gives the water molecules enough energy to transform into a gaseous state, what we call water vapor. Even the water in plants and soil gets in on the action, evaporating into the atmosphere. This process is so common, yet so vital, it's like the heartbeat of our planet. Now imagine these water vapor molecules, lighter than air, rising higher and higher into the sky. This leads us to the second stage of the water cycle, condensation. As the water vapor ascends, it encounters cooler temperatures. This causes the vapor to cool down and change back into liquid form, creating tiny droplets. These droplets come together to form clouds, the fluffy, cotton-like structures we see floating in the sky. It's like a grand reunion in the sky, where water molecules gather and prepare for the next stage. This brings us to the final act, precipitation. When the water droplets in the clouds become too heavy to float in the air, they fall back to the Earth's surface. This can happen in various forms: rain, snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the weather conditions. Once the water hits the ground, it either seeps into the soil to become groundwater, gets taken up by plants, or flows back into rivers and oceans, ready to start the cycle all over again. And therein lies the beauty of the water cycle. It's a never-ending dance of transformation, a perfect balance that ensures there's always just enough water on Earth. Every drop of water you see or drink has been on this incredible journey, perhaps countless times. This cycle is a continuous process that sustains life on our planet. Water, in its cyclic journey, plays an indispensable role in our ecosystem. It's not just about precipitation and evaporation. It's a grand ballet of nature that ensures life as we know it continues to thrive. At the heart of this ballet is the water cycle, a continuous process that transforms and transports water across the globe. From the highest clouds to the deepest oceans, from the icy poles to the scorching deserts, water is always on the move, ensuring that life, in all its myriad forms, flourishes. This cycle is a major contributor to the Earth's climate. It helps distribute heat around the globe, influencing weather patterns and climate zones. It's the reason why some regions bask in tropical warmth, while others endure icy winters. The water cycle even plays a part in the formation of devastating hurricanes and nurturing monsoons, showing us that water, in all its forms, has the power to create and destroy. The water cycle is also the great provider for all plant and animal life. It's not just about keeping us hydrated, it's about delivering nutrients to soil, helping plants grow, and creating habitats for countless species. From the moss on a forest floor to the towering redwoods, from microscopic organisms in the ocean to the blue whales, all life relies on this cycle for survival. But perhaps the most immediate impact of the water cycle is its replenishing of our water supply. Every drop of rain that falls, every river that flows, every lake that fills, is a testament to the water cycle at work. It ensures that fresh, clean water is always available, a resource so crucial that without it, life as we know it would cease to exist. So next time you quench your thirst with a glass of water, remember the incredible journey it has undertaken. It's more than just a drink, it's the lifeblood of our planet. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Craving more? Hit subscribe and journey with us through the realm of learning. Remember, every thumbs up and every subscription fuels our passion to deliver more. Become part of our learning community today.